If you are planning to start poultry farming, there is one very important decision you must make before buying your first chicks. That decision is choosing what type of poultry to raise. Should you raise broilers, which are chickens for meat, or should you raise layers, which are chickens for egg production? Many beginners make this decision blindly. They follow what others are doing, or they rush because they want quick money. Unfortunately, this often leads to losses, frustration, and sometimes quitting poultry farming completely. In this video, I will explain broiler farming and layer farming in a very simple and clear way. By the end of this video, you will understand how each system works, how money comes in, the risks involved, and which one is more profitable for your situation. Before we go deeper, please like this video if you enjoy simple farming explanations, subscribe to the channel for more poultry business guides, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss future videos. Let's begin with broiler farming. Broilers are chickens raised mainly for meat production. They are specially bred to grow fast and gain weight quickly. Under good management, broilers are ready for sale within 6 to 8 weeks. This means broiler farming works in short production cycles. Here is how broiler farming works in simple terms. You buy day-old broiler chicks from a hatchery, you raise them intensively, feed them well, and manage heat, water, and hygiene properly. After about 6 to 8 weeks, when they reach market size, you sell them. Once you sell them, that cycle ends, and if you want to continue, you buy a new batch and start again. The biggest advantage of broiler farming is speed. You do not wait for many months before earning money. This is why broiler farming is very attractive to beginners and people with small capital. Broiler farming also allows you to recover your capital quickly. If you manage the birds properly and the market price is good, you can make profit within a short time. Another advantage is that broilers are easy to sell. Chicken meat is always in demand, especially during festive periods like holidays, weddings, and celebrations. However, broiler farming also has challenges that you must understand. Broilers eat a lot of feed in a short period. Feed cost is the highest expense in poultry farming, and if feed prices increase, profits reduces. Broilers are also very sensitive to heat and stress. Poor ventilation, overcrowding, or hot weather can cause sudden death. Disease outbreaks can wipe out profits if biosecurity is poor. Also, broiler income is not daily. You only make money when you sell the birds at the end of the cycle. If the market price is low at that time, profit can be affected. Now let's talk about layer farming. Layers are chickens raised mainly for egg production. They are bred to lay eggs consistently over a long period. Layers usually start laying eggs at around 5 months of age. This means you must raise them for several months before you earn anything. Here is how layer farming works. You buy day-old layer chicks and raise them carefully through the brooding and growing stages. During this time, you spend money on feed, vaccines, housing, and management without selling anything. Once the birds start laying eggs, you begin to sell eggs every day. If managed well, layers can produce eggs for over 1 year. The biggest advantage of layer farming is steady daily income. Eggs are sold daily, which helps with regular cash flow. Egg prices are also more stable than broiler prices in most markets. Layer farming is good for people who want a long-term poultry business. Instead of starting and stopping cycles, one batch of birds keeps producing income for months. Layer farming also allows for better planning. You can estimate how many eggs you expect daily and plan your sales and expenses. However, layer farming requires patience. You must be ready to invest money for months before you see profit. The startup cost is higher compared to broilers. Layers also require more technical management. Lighting, feeding, calcium intake, and healthcare must be done correctly. Poor management can reduce egg production and cause losses. So, now let's compare broiler farming and layer farming in a very simple way. If this explanation is clear so far, do well to tap the like button to support the channel. Broiler farming gives fast returns, but income comes only when birds are sold. Layer farming takes time at the beginning but later provides steady daily income. Broiler farming is short-term. Layer farming is long-term. Broilers require intense management for a short period. Layers require consistent management over a long period. Broilers are more affected by market timing. Layers have a more stable market. So, let's answer the big question. Which one is more profitable? Broiler farming is more profitable if you want quick cash, you have limited capital, you can manage heat, feeding, and hygiene well, you understand market timing. Layer farming is more profitable if you want steady daily income, you can wait before earning, you have patience and discipline, you have long-term business stability. The truth is, both broiler and layer farming are profitable when done correctly. The mistake many people make is choosing the wrong system for their situation. If you are a beginner with small capital, broiler farming may be a good place to start. It helps you learn poultry management quickly and recover your money faster. If you have more capital and can wait, layer farming can give you steady income for a long time. Some experienced farmers even combine both systems. They use broilers for quick cash and layers for daily income. Before you start poultry farming, ask yourself these questions. How much capital do I have? Do I want quick money or steady income? Am I patient enough to wait for profit? Do I have access to a good market? Your honest answers will guide you to the right choice. Now I'd love to hear from you. Comment below and tell me, if you were starting today, would you choose broilers or layers and why? If you found this video helpful, like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more simple and practical poultry farming guides. Thank you for watching, and I wish you great success in your poultry farming journey.